first tip for installing doors is to make sure that you identify the left and the right door per door section. An easy tip to remember is the handle will go to the outside of the door track. You can also double check that the doors are going the right direction, as you should be able to read the logo at the bottom corner of the door. If the logo's upside down, flip it over. The doors are designed to slide left and right. One of the doors will be positioned on the inside section of the track and will need to be installed first. Position the top of the door on the inner top section of the door track and lift up to position the bottom of the door on the lower inner section of the track. Slide the door to make sure it smoothly glides on the door track. If not, check to make sure you've installed it in the proper section of the track. Next, install the second door. Position the top of the door on the top outer section of the door track so the doors are able to bypass one another. If your door is self-closing, position the top of the door over the spring inside the top of the track. Lift up and set the bottom of the door in the lower section of the track. Slide the door on the track to ensure it glides smoothly. When removing the door, never pull out on the door. Lift up on the door and then pull out from the bottom of the door track. If you should have any questions about installing rear load doors on your Hillphoenix specialty service case, reach out to our team by contacting us at hillphoenix.com. Check out more tips and videos on the Hillphoenix display cases on our YouTube channel, Hillphoenix Solutions and Learning Center.